Move-in ready home in top-rated school district. Welcome to this beautifully maintained home offering over 2,200 square feet of comfortable living space in highly sought-after New Hope Elementary School District. Featuring a split floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a versatile bonus room, this home has everything you need for modern living. Use the bonus room as a home office, craft space, or family game room, the choice is yours. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with a beautiful tray ceiling, walk-in closet, cozy seating area, luxurious garden tub, separate shower, and dual sinks on an expansive vanity. Enjoy cooking and entertaining in the kitchen, highlighted by granite countertops, a gas range, and a sunny breakfast area. Additional features include a garage, screened porch, and a lovely yard, perfect for relaxing or entertaining outdoors.